In this video, I will show you how you can fix the ghost touches problem on any iPad. But before we start, what I recommend is just remove any screen protector which you have applied and also clean the screen of your iPad. Because sometimes when you use a screen protector which is not supported by your iPad, this can cause the ghost touches problem. And also if your screen is dirty or wet, this can also interfere with the working of the touch of the screen. So make sure you remove any screen protector and also clean the screen of your iPad. Now, if you have done that and if this did not work, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. But if you're using an older iPad, like an iPad with the home button, just press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And once you complete the force restart process, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, and after you do that, then just go back. And under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the ghost touches problem on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.